Unprofessional chef.
Hello friends, recently I had been given to rabbits from a friend who owns a farm nearby. I had it soaked in water with lemon and some vinegar for overnight. Barbecued rabbits are a delicious and healthy alternative to other grilled meats. Rabbit meat is lean and has a mild, slightly sweet flavor that pairs well with a variety of marinades. First, I will have to remove everything from the inside. Just grab the inside organs by hand and pull them out. Rabbit meat is a good source of several important nutrients, including iron, niacin, vitamin B12, and selenium. Rabbit meat is also low in fat and cholesterol. This makes it a good choice for people who are trying to lose weight or improve their heart health. Overall, rabbit meat is a healthy and delicious food that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. If you are looking for a new and healthy protein source, I encourage you to give it a try. Now, make several cuts on the rabbits by using a sharp knife. These cuts would allow the marinade paste to penetrate so much deeper. A good marinade keeps your meat most tender and flavorful. I use Mother's Recipe Tandoori Marinade Paste. It could be bought from any local convenience store. By the way, I'm not promoting this product, but I usually use it when cooking quails, chickens, or rabbits in my tandoori oven. It's the ideal marination paste to lend that authentic tandoor flavor to all your grilled meats and vegetables. The ingredients are water, ginger, salt, garlic, cottonseed oil, dengal gram flour, dry mango, chili, coriander, cumin, and mustard oil. Spices are bay leaf, turmeric, black pepper, fennel, cassia, clove, and cardamom. Now, put the plastic wrap all around and let it marinate for at least 4 to 5 hours. The olive tree logs are lit beautifully. Olive firewood is regarded as one of the best hardwood firewoods for domestic and commercial use, as the olive trees need to be pruned regularly. The offcuts provide a good renewable source of eco-friendly fuel. Now, I place the well-marinated rabbits on the metal grid. And onto the radiant heat of the charcoal. After a couple of minutes, they smell so delicious. I kept turning them over every 5 minutes. When you barbecue outside like me, what are the most important things to consider? Is it about timing on the grill? Or about managing charcoal heat? Or the importance of staying attentive? I would love to hear your opinion. Please leave me a comment down below. My eyes got glued to that football game. Whoops! It was the importance of staying attentive while barbecuing. In order to save lunch, I had to scrap the burnt parts, shredded the meat and made tacos. I added mushrooms and corn on the cob as well. Bon appetit!